Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can block Instagram app using Face ID on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes and write comments at the end of the video. And let us get started with you. Open an application on your iPhone called Shortcuts. Then at the bottom in the middle, select New Automation. Once again, tap New Automation. Now scroll down a little bit and tap on the Apps section. Next, in front of the word Apps, select Instagram and you're done. Now you need to turn off on this second option right here and click Next. After that, when you get to a page like this, select the gray New Automation box and add an action. Here, you will have to select the word Lock Screen and add it. After that, click Ready. And now also I recommend that you open your shortcut again and make sure you have this feature enabled. If you don't, then turn it on. And then click Ready. This will help you activate this Block Instagram feature. And now, if you try to open it, then you will need to use Face ID to unlock your screen first, and only then will you be able to open the Instagram app. That's how it is, friends. You can easily lock Instagram with Face ID on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.